Brown.
The bomb, she said.
It's amazing. I hear you. Did you have some on your face?
Probably. Along with some egg, probably too. Hey, can I say hello to Tara Tesher?
Hello there.
Forgive me, I smell
You smell
like the side dishes.
Yay.
This is lovely. How many of these already gone? 300 of these already
Wow.
gone.
Brand
So
new
we're
today.
talking about a brand new item from Temp-tations. Who knew 9 days before Christmas we'd still be seeing brand new? Of course we will. So we've got Temp-tations Old World or Floral Lace, your choice. Set of 4 soup crocks.
Yes.
And you also get a tray that comes along with this. How big are the soup crocks?
The soup crocks are 16 ounces.
Okay.
And the tray is 10 by 10. And it's got a nice depth to it. So yes, you can bake on here. This is our holiday collection. So this, of course, has that beautiful Christmas tree, that adorable mailbox, the cute little cardinal that I do in honor of my dad. But David, look how sweet these are. Brand new silhouette. We've never done the double handle, which I absolutely love. All figural details, so stinking cute. And the fact that it even has the little flower finial on the top. Look at this gorgeous presentation if it's something you were just gonna leave out. This is your soup bowl, it's your stew bowl, it's your everything you're making in the morning, from your yogurt smoothies, everything you're going to be making can fit inside here, and it keeps hot things hot as well as cold things cold. Love it.
You know what I heard, and I think I sent this to you on Facebook.
Yeah.
It said that when a cardinal appears in your yard,
you did send it to me.
it is a message from heaven.
Yes.
And you
That'd be my father.
And you wrote back, I think, amen.
Yes, I did write amen. Love
So
it.
this
All right,
is
so
really
that's our
lovely.
holiday up there.
What's that? That's the holiday choice. I have 4 dozen left, and then it's going to be
Wow.
gone. Now, the holiday tray comes with festive fetty soup crocks.
Yes.
So you're going to see festive fetty down on the end. You don't also have a choice with a festive fetty tray,
Yes,
do you?
of course. Yep.
Oh, you do?
And I knew you were going to ask that, and so I had it. So if you're picking up just the festive fetty, it just doesn't have that scene that you see here. So again, there you got it right there, and that works back with the
it would be a
soup
good
crock.
time to talk more about that because holiday just sold out.
Oh, well then there you go.
Now holiday is gone, so if you still want the festive fetty crocs, you can get them by choosing just
Yes.
festive fetty. Thank you. All right, so here are our choices. Terry, you want to jump down on your end?
Absolutely. Let's do this. Festive fetty.
Charlie, and come toward me in Old World.
Sure.
Green. All right, let's go back to festive fetty. Festive fetty, $2.50.
Oh, wow.
In the green, available red, available cranberry, available blue,
Love.
confetti,
Look at the confetti.
eggplant, $2.50, brown, $400, spice, $2.50, and black, $4.50. Down into the floral lace. This is floral lace red.
That's our festive action.
I beg your pardon, festive red. Just festive, $300. Green, red, cranberry, blue, light blue. This one is eggplant. Say it with me. Chocolate. Spice
Love.
and black. 800 in the black. Oh, 800 gone. Were you giving me any updates in floral lace there, Sean? Oh, okay, because I didn't hear you. I was just want to let you know. All right, we're just in a soup crock here, darling.
Yeah. It's up front for the color choice.
Oh, hello.
So
All right,
I'll grab it
fantastic.
when we get back to it.
Hey, can I just remind
Sorry.
you that, and I know I sound like a broken record, but but this is our marching orders for the day. Credit card orders on anything online, Tara,
Yes.
will arrive in time for Christmas. So in this case, you pay the $5.50 shipping and handling. We will pay whatever else is necessary to get it there on time. So let us help you out with that. Tara made my favorite soup. This is French
It's not
onion.
going to hurt your feelings at
And
all.
she put a lot of extra cheese on it.
Look at how beautiful these are. 16 ounces.
Honey, over 1,000 are gone.
Oh, I love the individual portion of this. I love, again, the fact that they go right in the oven. You can tuck it under the broiler. Nothing's going to stick. So think about your chilies, your soups, your stews, cold things as well as hot things. But all of those great comfort foods that we love to make. This is so yours, by the way.
Look at all the cheese around the bottom.
Seriously.
And you guys, I'm doing this only to show you that the cheese will also crisp up in the tray because the tray is a stoneware baking vessel as well.
Great point.
The fact that I get to eat the cheese is just bonus.
That is a bonus.
All right.
And it's very hot.
Cheese and thank you.
Just going to qualify that hashtag. We married it, David, with, of course, our beautiful croissant sandwiches.
Delightful.
Delicious, right? That this is our one of our cutting boards that you're going to see coming up soon. I love the idea of breaking them up maybe into little individual gifts. Maybe you want to put something with that great tray and then fill those soup crocks. But they're just so much more than just a soup crock. I love them for my oatmeal in the morning, for maybe my yogurt parfait in the morning, little side dishes, little individual desserts. Again, think about these when you're thinking about 16 ounces. We've never done this silhouette before. So if you've been collecting Temp-tations, you've never seen anything like this. Love that double handle. And then, of course, the fact that you're getting that serving tray as well as a tray that you can cook everything on top of. So think about using that as well. I just love this set. It's so stinking cute. Okay,
So good,
I'm going to have a,
Are you-
I'm going
Fair warning, hot.
to, see, this is why he does what he does, and I don't.
You know
Would you
what?
like me to grab this guy?
Would you?
Of course.
Because I want to show everybody again what they're getting. And this is the collection that matches my apron today. All right? I didn't plan it that way, but it just worked out that way. All right, so you're getting 4 of the 16-ounce soup Crocs, and they each have their own little sweet
that.
lids.
Look
Aren't
at
these
that.
great? So if you're going to do something in there that needs to be melted like the soup, you'll obviously take the lids off.
Yes.
You can serve the vessel with the lid, and then when someone is done, before it gets clear, they put their lid back on.
Love that. I love everything. I'm telling you, these are so stinking cute and adorable. And when they're put on that tray, they work together as such a great collection. Notice if you're picking up that floral lace, there's no brown beading. It's just tone on tone, which is so fun with some of our other accessory style pieces.
1,500 of these are now
You're
gone.
gonna love 'em.
I need to remind you, when you shop with a credit card today for this item or any other item you're seeing on the air, you will get delivery before Christmas at no additional charge. In this case, you pay the regular shipping and handling of $5.50. We'll take care of whatever else is necessary to get it to you on time 9 days before Christmas. Shop with confidence. Isn't it nice that you're in your living room today drinking coffee, thinking about what you're going to have for lunch, and you're not out battling the crowds at the mall? Kind of nice, isn't it?
Very.
All right, so
Want to start down here?
festive Fetty on your end.
Love that.
100 all I have left. Then the green, Old World red, 500 left now in the red. In the cranberry, 450. The blue,
Love that.
500 left. Here's confetti. Available. Here's eggplant, 200 brown, 400 spice, 200 and the black, 400. Down below is festive, most popular, and I will also say, I'm going to guess in the tray you have red and green flowers.
Yes, correct.
But only the white
Crocs are red.
carved in the Crocs. Here is your green floral lace. This one is red. Cranberry. Blue, very popular, always. Light blue, some might call that Carolina blue. I know I would. Here it is in eggplant. Oh, and my Tar Heels won last night, just in case anybody was not paying attention. And they beat the number 3 seed team in the country.
Just saying.
Same one we beat 2 years ago for the national championship. Just saying. All right, then,
Eggplant.
I don't know anything about sports, but college basketball, I know. Okay, thanks. Do they get a hat trick in golf? I don't know.
Oh.
This is chocolate.
Just in bowling.
Thanks. And then we've got spice. And then finally we have it for you in the black.
Perfect.
So 2,000 of
These
these
are
are
so
gone.
great.
Tara, you're
You're gonna
coming
love-
back with like
Yes.
3 more items.
4
aren't you?
more.
4 more, beg your pardon.
Including those cutting boards that are brand new
The
and the
cutting
basket
boards
weave brand new
are
items.
coming up,
Yes.
and it's a choice of snowman, gingerbread, don't help me tree.
Yes.
Right?
You got it.
Angel. My girl.
Mwah.
Hey, if you
Thanks,
get over
everybody.
there and get some of that cheese
Oh,
before the crew
I am.
attacks it.
I am.
Yeah.
Bye.
Hey, another update for you. Hey, Stacy, our side dishes are gone. Gone. Hey, it's